Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Call of Duty Warzone 2 not opening. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first click here and then go to Windows, update settings, and now check for updates and make sure to install all the updates that you can find, and then go to GeForce Experience, drivers. Make sure you have the latest update for your graphics card driver, and after that go to device manager and then go to display adapters, double click on the first one, driver, and then click update and do the same thing with the next one. Your problem must be fixed. Just restart your PC and see you in the next video.